here, and this script will read the test cases and send the input and get the output and fill up in the test log. So this is the process of test automation. You have to be familiar with writing a script, or there are some existing tools that will help you, like Selenium for web-based, or Rational Robots, as mentioned in that in the video. And also there are many other tools, like also we will use here in this lab on today lecture. There is a tool developed by Prof. Kamal. Okay, so this is the process of the how to conduct automation testing. You should have a, if you are a programmer, developer, you can write your own script. You can write your own script to deliver automation testing. If you remember in the previous labs, I don't know, previous labs, if we want to write in Java, instead the Java class contains that when that need to be tested. So we write in the main class, or we write another class. That class can read the inputs and deliver the input to the another class, and then read the data from the output from the class under test and list it in the test log. So how can we understand the tools? So there is a tool available here. The video for the tools is here if you don't follow me, and also I will record for today, and also I already recorded this one last semester. So the tools is here. Just is everyone with me now? So how can we use this tool? This tool is developed by Prof. Kamal. He's Deputy Vice Chancellor for our university for research and innovation. He developed these tools while he was in USM, with a team in USM. I was also his master student that time. Okay, so these tools, click on this lab automation. It will download. Please download in the very short path. So if you select D or C or any, so you name that as any name, your ID, student ID, that folder, student ID, then it will be downloaded in that folder. Okay, is everyone with me? Please write in the chatting. So you have to extract all the files here. Extract all files. Oh, can you see the, oh, you don't see my, okay, desktop. This is why. All right, sorry. Okay, I changed the whiteboard. All right, so the tools is here. Thank you. So the tools in this week here, test lab automation. Lab automation. Click on lab automation. Can you see the, can you see the in Kalam? Can you see my slide now? I show in Kalam lab automation testing. Okay, thank you. Last time I used my mobile to be also to verify that I'm sharing the same slide to you, but when I open my Zoom in my mobile, it gave echo, so sound become noisy, then I switch off. Okay, so you click in this one, it will be download. You have to download in a short path. So let's say I download in D, and then I name it lab test automation, or maybe you name it your ID, student ID. Okay, student ID. Then it will download this RAR file. It will download this RAR file. After you download the RAR file, extract, maybe just extract all the files. Okay, all this here. Extract I don't want to be extract in lab in test example automation. I want it to be only in the same folder, which is lab. It is lab test automation. So I extracted all. You can see here they are here, all files here. It's okay if this one's still here, it's okay, or even you can delete it, never mind. So I need all these files. Okay. I need all these files in the folder. Okay, so sharing the whole screen. Okay, sharing the whole screen. So I need all these files to be downloaded. So I extract all the files in this folder. Okay, the lab test automation. Maybe in yours you can name it your student ID, D or C or any student ID, and all. You don't have space. Okay, you can see this one. The name don't have space. If you have space in the folder name, then you will face error when you run your tool. So if you remember in the shared whiteboard, there is the whiteboard. Okay, where is shared whiteboard? Okay, you remember shared whiteboard here. This here the script execution. This is the file under test. Also list of test cases and test log. So all these files need to be in that folder. Okay, all these files need to be in this folder. Okay, all the files need to be in the folder. So what are these files? You can see here in the folder. Okay, there are Java files. There are Java file adder. This is under test. The adder under test. The file under test. Okay, adder.java is under test. And the script to be used. This is loader manager and loader manager. Loader manager is here. This is the Java. And then also I want to use this one, jtest constant.java. .java. This one's supposed to be .java. This one .java is supposed to be, if I open it, .java. And I should have a list of test cases. Where is the file of a list of test cases? I create something called fadder.flt. Any file that contains FLT, this is the test cases inside this file. Test cases inside this file. So let's first, how can we make this tool can run in my PC? So this tool is run in the cmd command prompt. Okay, you type cmd. Okay, you can see cmd. Where is that folder? You have to go to D, then change directory to lab test automation. Okay, I'm in this lab test automation. If you have to type dir to show the files. dir to show the files. Okay, so let me increase the size until okay. So here first I move to the folder. I just type the path or the directory name, and then I change directory to that folder. Okay, now I'm in this folder, which is contains. I want to be like, if you remember, I need the code under test or the system under test it is .java, this one, adder, okay? And then you have a, you should have a test, a script. A script is loader manager. It's already written for you, as well as this one, jtest constant.java. I should change this one .java, not .sss dollar. So I'll change it now. And I need to have a test cases, inside this file. Okay, Fadil. We will go one by one. So if I want to run this tool, let's say if I want to run the tool is Java Java developed. Okay, so I should have first Java C, which is to compile, or star.java. It will compile all the files here to Java inside. To make Java C run in your PC, please refer to my previous labs, the first lab during before the COVID, the MCO. Okay. Now I can how to run Java loader manager. Okay, loader. Oh, sorry, there is no space, and should be case sensitive. Small letter, capital letter, loader manager. Okay, and then the test cases. Where is the test cases? My test cases is here. The name of the file that contains the test cases. Fadil.flt